Hello, my name is Alen Arteaga. After studying at the techniques on how to correctly produce all the sounds included in the International Alphabet Table, will show 15 sentences in EAPA. 1. Children are playing in the park. 2. I work every morning. 3. My father is traveling to Venezuela. 4. I practice soccer every afternoon. 5. My brother always forgets to do homework. 6. I drink coffee every morning. 7. My dad is painting the door. 8. I clean the windows. 9. My uncle cleans the car. 10. My brother plays basket at night. 11. I read every day. 12. The bird seems very happy. 13. The cat is eating fish. 14. My mother is cooking chicken. And 15. The teacher is giving the class. Thank you very much.